So another thing we wanted to do is, again, we see so many cool watches come through the doors every single day, both new and pre-owned. So we thought it would be a cool thing every week to show you kind of our pick of something cool that came in or something we sold. Zoe, what do you have this week?
Well, I just want to give a shout out to Mike, who is in love with this Reverso. I'd love to show it off to him. It's blue dial, and here if we can zoom in, so this is one side of it. And then you turn over this. So that is the other side. And it's really vibrant in person. I'm not sure the camera can capture this color. It's unbelievable.
It's about as good as it comes with blue dials.
This is a standout piece. So just wanted to show that off to you guys.
Yeah, beautiful, clean, classic design. And again, that dial, you can't even believe it until you see it in person. Another reason to come into the store and check it out, because the screen does it no justice. It's a beautiful piece.
And of course, hello to Caroline Jaffe.
Hey, Caroline.
Thanks for watching. She says that Reverso is magical, and I agree.
It is. It is magical. Do you want to show us what you brought today?
Yeah, so one of the more interesting pieces that I've gotten in, and I've gotten a chance to try it out and wear it, and I fell in love with it. I actually didn't buy this piece from the owner, but one of my clients pointed it out as being a really cool piece, and I always love Rolex. Obviously has a lot of different variations to their dials in their core models, but you really don't see this one that often. You'll see it more so in the date, but not so much the Datejust. It's called a vignette dial and has diamond markers, and you'll see that the blue, also similar to the Reverso, is extremely vibrant in the middle and then gets darker towards the bezel. And you really just don't see this often. I think it has a great look with the two-tone. It kind of gives it a more up-to-date style. Sometimes two-tone can look a little bit 80s, or it kind of reminds me of my dad because he has a two-tone Datejust. But this is a pleasant change to a very, very classic style. So that's pretty funky. This is a piece that I would choose as the most interesting piece that I've come across this week.
Awesome. Love that piece.